GT perhaps secured their top 2 spot in the playoffs. CSK bowled first. GT were good in power play. They scored some 62 in power play without getting out. The bowling from the CSK bowlers are a bit wayward, whether it's Spencer Johnson or Mukesh Chaudhary. Wicket of GT got out on 125 in 12.2 overs. Gill scored 64 of 37 balls, and Sai goes on to play and score 84 of 53 balls. Then Josh come to bat. He scored 57 of 27 balls, and Vasi scored 7 of 3 balls, which cruised them along to 229. The bowling of CSK was not so good, but Gurjapneet Singh, he bowled 4 for 31 for 0, but the bowling line and length were really good. And then Mukesh Chaudhary 4 for 1. Then the CSK chase comes. Sanju got out on the first ball, but I like the intent the way CSK. What will happen if you got out in 14 overs by scoring 150 runs, or you goes on to play 20 overs, score 160? There is nothing. It's just the same. The way Rutu played those 2 shots were really good. He scored 16 of 7 balls, but I really like the intent. Then Shivam Dube scored 47 of 17 balls. Matt Short scored some 24 of 14 balls. Then Anshul Combo scored 19 of 8 balls. The intent with which they are playing is really good. They win or not, that's separate issue. Then the bowling from the GT bowlers are really good. Mohammad Siraj bowled 3 overs, 26 for 3. Then the Hagishwar Bara bowled 3.2 overs, 32 for 3. Then the Rashid Khan bowled 2 overs, 18 for 3, and they cruised along to the world. Yeah, that's it.